Ever wonder why some people seem to succeed effortlessly, while others constantly struggle despite working just as hard? The answer often comes down to one thing: decisions. Decisions are driven by emotions. Whether it's fear, excitement, greed, or impatience, they have a sneaky way of clouding judgment. That's why impulsive decisions can often lead to costly mistakes. In the world of investing, one emotional trade at the wrong time can wipe out months of careful planning. Here's where computers have an edge. They're not held back by emotion. They don't feel fear when markets crash or greed when profits soar. They follow rules, consistently, and without hesitation. Striving for perfect, emotion-driven decisions frequently leads to overthinking and missed opportunities. But a good system, one that's simple and consistent, can outperform even the most brilliant but emotionally influenced person. This brings us to a crucial question. If emotions can be costly, how can anyone make better decisions? The answer lies in creating systems. A system is simply a set of rules designed to guide decisions. It's like having a personal roadmap that keeps you on track, no matter what distractions come your way. But how do you build a reliable system? It's easier than you might think. Here's how to do it. The first step is to define clear rules. Whether it's deciding when to buy or sell stocks, how to allocate your time in a workday, or how to prioritize tasks, having predefined criteria ensures you don't act impulsively. Once rules are in place, the next step is tracking. Keep a record of your decisions and their outcomes. Why? Because tracking helps you learn. It shows patterns, what works and what doesn't. Over time, this data-driven feedback helps improve the system. Ever felt stuck because there were just too many options? That's choice overload, and it's one of the biggest obstacles to effective decision-making. A good system limits choices by narrowing down the options before you even begin. This reduces decision fatigue and speeds up the process. The final and perhaps most important step: focus on consistency, not perfection. No system is flawless, but what matters is sticking to it. Over time, consistency beats occasional brilliance. This approach works in many areas of life. In investing, a system helps you stick to a strategy, cutting through market noise and focusing on long-term goals instead of reacting to every dip or surge. In business, it keeps operations steady under pressure, allowing entrepreneurs to focus on growth and innovation. And in productivity, systems reduce procrastination by eliminating decision fatigue, ensuring what matters gets done. Over time, consistency becomes effortless, like having a compass that always points toward progress. There's a story about a self-made millionaire who turned his life around. Early on, he realized emotions were his biggest enemy. So he created a simple system, a set of rules to guide his decisions. No obsession with perfection, just consistency. It helped him dodge costly mistakes, grab opportunities others overlooked, and build real wealth. The truth is, millionaires don't wait for luck. They trust their systems. They understand how powerful emotions are. But instead of letting them run the show, they build frameworks that keep them focused. Success isn't about avoiding failure. It's about having a system that keeps you moving forward, no matter what life throws at you.